It was inevitable that somewhere, someone would nominate LeAnn Rimes for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So she posted her video yesterday, and wouldn't you know, it involves Eddie Cibrian and the Bonus Boys. Brandi Glanville has repeatedly requested that LeAnn not involve Mason and Jake in her social media adventures, but it's like LeAnn can't help but poke their drunk bear. Here's the video. She wasn't wearing a bra, right? On this week's episode of LeAnn and Eddie, they take LeAnn's little dog Precious to a pet therapist. I was going to embed the sneak peek video, but no, you can see it here. It's actually really funny to see LeAnn and Eddie struggle to act naturally through their rehearsed dialogue. So natural. So unaffected. All the Emmys. And in case you needed a palate cleanser after seeing a soaking wet LeAnn, here's Eddie Vedder's ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I love this video.